Alright, well now we've got all that stuff done, all the fluids checked, everything's good to go, brake light's fixed. Now it's time to fix the door because I took it apart because our window motor has failed us a second time now. So this window doesn't roll up or down, it is just held in with a few zip ties right now and the wire that is on the motor. And when I put it all back together, I forgot to hook up the door and the lock. So we're gonna do that now. To do so, you pop off this little cap. There's a Phillips head screw under there. Behind here, that little hole has a Torx. I want to say it's a T20 or T25. And then there's a Phillips head right there. And then you got the body pins all along the door, if your door has them. Ours has a few, because I hate those things. They're evil. So let's get to it. Show you what I forgot to connect. Right here. Are the locks. All you do, probably really hard to tell. It's kind of hard to do one-handed, honestly, but you put it in the hole like so, and you slide that over, and it clips on. And you should probably make sure that they're not crossed before you do that. Obviously, a shorter one goes into the closest to the back of the door. Longest goes up towards the front. Put it in, slide it over, and then your door handle suddenly works. It's magic. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and put the Phillips head back in, get the body, clips in, those lovely holes, and the last Phillips here, and the Torx. It is a T20. Alright, so I asked him to roll the windows up and he starts the Jeep. What are you gonna do? If you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, let me know what you think. And if you haven't already, please click the red subscribe button. You roll it up like normal. Have a great night. What do you mean roll it up? Yeah, roll it up. The top one. This one.